And as these masses of people, with the hate in their eyes, start this assault towards the city, the New Jerusalem, Jesus appears above the city and he starts with the executive judgment. And I saw a great white throne, and him that sat on it, from whose face the earth and the heaven fled away, and there was found no place for them. And I saw the dead, small and great, stand before God, and the books were opened. And another book was opened, which is the book of life. And the dead were judged out of those things which were written in the books according to their works. Their names are not in the book of life. They did not receive Jesus Christ as their Savior and Lord. Therefore, they will be judged from the other books, the books of their works. That's all that's left for them to be judged by. And as the books of works are opened, everyone can see his own life, his sins, his disobedience. And he or she is not even able to look away, not even Satan. For millennia he's accused God that he's unjust, that he's unfair, that he's just judgmental, that he's false, that he does not love his subjects. And in this moment in time, when God's character and God's name is vindicated, will be vindicated before the whole universe, everyone will admit that God was fair, that God's judgments were correct, and everyone outside the city know that they are there of their own choice. They could have been in the holy city, but they chose not to be. And every knee will bow before the Creator God, even Satan, not to worship him, but to admit that God is God, and God is righteous, and God is right. And at that moment, the final executive judgment that has never intended to be given to man will be executed.